We are going to play a beginning sound game today. I'm going to need your help. We are going to spin the spinner and move the dog that many places. You're going to try to help me guess what sound the picture begins with. Okay, I'm going to need your help. Get ready to help me. I'm going to spin the spinner. What number is the arrow pointing to? You're right, number 3. I'm going to move my dog 3 places. Help me count. 1, 2, 3. What is that a picture of? You're right, it's the number 9. Please say 9. Help me say the sounds in 9. Ein. You can even tap those sounds with your fingers like this. Ein. 9. What's the first sound you hear? Very good. How do we spell n? What letter? Very good. The letter N says 9. N and 9. Okay, I'm going to spin the spinner again. What number? You're right, the number 1. So I need to go 1 spot. Help me look at this picture. What is it? You're right, it's a queen. Quack, quack, quack. Queen. Do you hear the first sound? Say the sounds in queen. Quack, in. Quack, quack. What's the first sound? You're right. It's the letter Q. And did you know that words that begin with Q also have a U right beside them? Q, U is the sound that queen begins with. Let's spin the spinner again. What number? 2. We need to move 2 spots. 1, 2. What's that? You're right. It's a turtle. Say turtle. Turtle. What's the first sound? Right. How do I spell T, right? So I'm looking for letter T. Try to write the letter T in the air with your finger. You could do a straight line down and a straight line across the top. Let's spin our spinner again. The arrow is pointing to number 2 again. I need to move 2 spaces. Help me count. Get my dog. 1, 2. It's a picture of a lion. This could be tricky. Lion. Say lion. Oh, what's the first sound you hear? Oh. What do you hear? Oh. How do we spell oh? You're right. It's the letter L. L is also a word a letter that you could easily write in the air with your finger. Write L in the air with your finger. Straight line down, straight line across. Lion begins with the O sound. Let's spin our spinner again. What's it going to land on? Number 3. We need to move 3 spaces this time. 1, 2, 3. I think you know what that is. Monkey. You're right. Great job. Monkey. Monkey. What's the first sound? How do we spell You're right. I'm looking for the letter M. M says M says Every letter makes the sound. M says Very good. Let's spin our spinner again. 3 again. Help me move 3 more spots. 1, 2, 3. What's that? Correct. It's a football. Say football at home. Football. I bet you like to throw a football or watch a football game on TV? Say football. Very good. How do we spell? What sound? What sound? How do we spell? You're right. The letter F says. Very good. Try to make that letter F. That's a capital F. Try to make it in the air with your finger. Straight line down. Straight line across the top. Straight line from the middle. Very good. Letter F. Let's spin our spinner again. Three again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, do you know what that is? Alligator. Correct. Alligator. What's the first sound you hear? How do we spell I? A. That's right. Every letter makes the sound. A says I. Very good. Let's spin our spinner. What number? 2. I need to move it 2 spots. 1, 2. What's that? Jeep. Awesome. Jeep. Tell me the sound you hear in Jeep. You could even tap along with me. Jeep. 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 J is the first sound. You're right. How do we spell J? J. That's what my name begins with. Every letter makes the sound. J says J. Let's spin again. We are almost finished with our game. 2. We need to move 2 more spots. 1, 2. What's that animal? You're right. It's a seal. Seal. How do we spell S? You're right. Letter S. S is the beginning sound. I'm looking for S. You could also write S in the air with your finger. It looks like a snake. Write S with your finger. S. Awesome job at home. Let's spin our spinner again. Three spots. 1, 2, 3. Look. Very good. We're at the end. What's in a picture of? Dog. You're right. How do we spell D? D. You're right. Tap the sounds in dog. 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 Every letter makes the sound. D says D. D says D. Very good. Now, I'm going to go back and look at a couple of my pictures, and I'm going to see if we can make a sentence with the word. Let's go back and look at turtle. Can you tell me a sentence using the word turtle? You can just say it, or if you want to write it at home, you can. Think of the word turtle. Can you tell me something about a turtle? The sentence I have in my head is, I saw a turtle in the road. Turtle. Tell me your sentence using the word turtle. Awesome job. Let's look at another picture. What about the number 9? Can you tell me a sentence using the word 9? Think in your head. Awesome job. The sentence I'm thinking of is, I have 9 balls to bounce. I use the word 9. See if you can use the word 9 in a sentence. Awesome job. Thank you for your help today. We'll see you guys soon.